Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips whenever we are trading. Okay, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities, of the trading strategy, so that you can practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. We are on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. We had a buy order around there, and it kept on going up, got to this region, pulled back and played around there for a while, but went back up again, and of course it broke out above this resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. The next asset is going to be boom 500. This also went on uptrend, got to this region, pulled back and played around there for a while, but went back up again, and of course this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, although close to a resistance, if it's unable to break out from there to go back into a downtrend. Okay, so right from this support zone, this started an uptrend, played around there for a while, broke out above it around there, and of course it's got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, and it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out from this resistance zone, then it will be targeting this particular resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so you need to have keep an eye on it. Okay, so this is very important. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started from here on an uptrend, and of course got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, and it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started the downtrend around this resistance zone, and it sold till it got to this support zone. So right from there it started the buy trend, and of course it's still buying at the moment. Of course it is approaching this particular resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will buy more, but if it does not, it may likely go back on downtrend. Okay, so for now this is still buying. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora detectorK. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you. Okay.